Hello friends. Welcome to Purushottam Academy. In this video, we will discuss career as a software engineer. About software engineer. Software engineers are the professionals who are responsible for testing, designing, development, maintenance of computer software, development and maintenance of computer software for business as well as personal use. They apply the principles of mathematics, computer science and engineering in designing and creating software. It is a technically driven field and candidates who wish to pursue the same must have a technical degree in the respective field. Their job role varies from creating video games, developing internet applications, and testing and running new computer networks. Apart from this, their job is to include tests, prototypes and evaluations of software and computer systems. Eligibility to become software engineer. Candidates must have passed 10+2 or an equivalent examination from a recognized board with PCM, physics, chemistry and mathematics as major subjects. A minimum of 55% marks in 10+2 or equivalent is compulsory for pursuing B.Tech BE in software engineering or diploma courses in the same. For admission in M.Tech in software engineering, candidates must have a passing certificate of graduation level with a minimum aggregate of 50% in the required field. A valid passing scorecard of any of the required entrance exams is compulsory for admission in undergraduate, diploma, postgraduate and doctoral programs. Types of job roles. Software engineer. Software engineers are required by almost all the companies, whether it is an IT or non-IT organization. Listed below are some of the popular software engineer job profiles. Web developer. Their job role is to make use of web technologies and programming languages such as JavaScript, HTML or Ajax to write code for websites, integrate backend systems such as databases with websites, and develop new website features and applications. Business information analyst. Their job role is to make use of their analytical skill set to research, plan and manage how information systems and software can be used to solve business problems. Computer system analyst. Computer systems analysts use an in-depth knowledge of hardware and software systems to determine how an organization or a company can best utilize their resources to operate effectively. Their job is to primarily identify technical infrastructure needs, research the design and installation of computing packages. Information security analyst. Their job is to perform security audits, conduct risk assessments and to help improve the security of a company's data systems. Database administrator. Their job role is to manage the company's databases, perform database backup, modify the structure of data. They manage to do so with their knowledge of relational database languages such as Microsoft SQL, Oracle, etc. Mobile application developer. It is one of the most popular job profile for software engineers as the trend for mobile applications is growing day by day. They make use of their knowledge about computer languages and platforms such as JavaScript, .NET and Objective-C to build applications and websites for mobile devices such as iPhone, iPad, Samsung Galaxy. Quality assurance, QA, manager. They are responsible for executing and quality review plans to identify the issues that come up during the software development process. QA engineers are responsible for defining the scope of testing, conducting manual and automated testing plans. They work in close association with developers to identify the areas of improvement. Employment opportunities for software engineer. The employment opportunities for software engineers are available in various sectors. as their job role is just not limited to designing new software from expanding the existing software to meet the changing needs of our key demographics to designing video games to developing a new software product to creating new mobile apps. Check out the employment opportunities for software engineers below. IT companies, non-IT companies, startups, insurance, finance, banking, MNCs, top recruiting companies for software engineer. The job and employment outlook for software engineers is quite good as there is a huge demand for these professionals. Some of the popular IT, non-IT, and MNCs that hire software engineers are listed below. Infosys, Tata Consultancy Services, TCS, Oracle Financial Services, HCL Technologies, Mindtree, Juniper Networks, Microsoft, Adobe, Hexaware Technologies Limited, HTL, Cisco, Intel. Pay scale salary of software engineer. The average salary for an entry-level software engineer is around Rs 3,50,000 per year. For a mid-career communications engineer, it is approx Rs 6,50,000 per year. However, with adequate experience of 10 years or so, software engineers are offered very high packages. Pros of becoming a software engineer. Software engineers are paid well, and as per the records, there is going to be a growth of 32% in the software engineers' jobs. Software engineering provides you with the opportunities to move to US, Canada or Europe. If you wish to start your own consulting business or SaaS, software as a service, or packaged software business, the barrier to entry is incredibly low as compared to traditional engineering specializations. It provides with a great deal of job satisfaction as you will be building and creating new things. Cons of becoming a software engineer. Software engineering can be very stressful, especially when you are required to meet the deadlines. Engineers are also required to meet with demanding users and must be able to communicate reasonably and personably with these difficult customers. The software engineer must stay on the cutting edge of technology in order to keep their skills relevant and up to date. It is very easy to outsource software jobs than jobs in industries that require heavy infrastructure investments like petroleum, chemical, mechanical engineering. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for further notifications.